work because of the injury. So what I always tell clients to do is to keep a journal of how long they're out of work and what times they're out of work and how that's affected them. The other thing that we need to look at is what kind of compensation they would typically get if they were able to work on a regular basis, and compare it to how they are now, how much income they're able to make now. It's easier if they're an employee that makes an hourly wage and their employer can write a note that said that they missed this amount of work, this many hours, and we can do the math that way. Someone who's self-employed, it becomes a little more complicated, and that's why more detailed information needs to be taken down. And so it's a good idea to really make very clear and accurate notes about how much time you're missing, what missed opportunities you've had, and sit down with your attorney and come up with a plan to present that to an insurance company in a way that they will understand and be able to compensate you for it.
Understood. Okay. And last question we had was, I was injured at work and I'm currently receiving workman's compensation. Can I get more than just my workers' compensation?
Yeah, it's actually a good question. When you accept workers' compensation, there are times where that's your only avenue of recovery. So if you're getting the workers' compensation, you won't have other opportunities to get anything else. There are a number of situations, and I don't want to go into specifics because each case is very different, but there are a number of situations where you actually can bring a personal injury claim aside from your workers' compensation